back finally with another wig for you guys. I know it's been a minute, but this one was sent to me from Beauty4U beauty supply store. This is a Remy Bohemian wig from Pure Natural, or by Pure Natural, and I've reviewed for them before. Their wigs are really nice. They are synthetic, but they have quality heat friendly fibers. This one is a premium regular wig. It's 28 inches and it has a bang. You could put heat on this wig, and it's really nice and thick. It has a nice yaki texture, but it's super silky at the same time. So running my fingers through it was not a problem. It does come with this really nice crisp bang, okay? So if you don't like, the crisp Chinese bang type look, you might not like this one, but it's cute. It does come with a full cap. There are no combs in this wig. It only comes with an adjustable strap, which I was perfectly fine with. The wig cap construction is as normal, and it's really stretchy, and I love it. It was really comfortable and easy to apply onto my head. I'm going to show you guys how I put it on my head right now. This makeup look, obviously, I shot this video a while back. It's the same makeup look that I did not like in the other wig review. I hated this makeup look so much. I did not take my time and make sure that it looked good before I got on camera. I don't know what I was thinking, but neither here nor there. We're going to go ahead and put this thing on my head, and I made sure not to cut this because I wanted you guys to see how easy it is to put it on. And once you put it on, she is on there and she's comfortable because I use the adjustable strap. I'm going to get a brush and show you guys how I style it. Alright guys, so now that we're up close and personal, you can see that the bang is very full. The style is very easy. I'm using a wig brush just to brush it down and keep it out of the way. This is a wig that you're definitely going to need a wig brush on hand just to keep brushing it down and keeping it, out of the way, making sure that the hairs are all falling where they're supposed to and it's nice and sleek. It's a really sleek, easy look. I didn't have to do much to it. It's 28 inches like I said, and it falls down to my waist. I'm a shrimp, y'all. I'm 5'1". So this thing falls right at my waist, like so. And it's super long, but, it's a very sleek style that you can rock on a regular random occasion when you don't know what to do with your hair. You can just throw this on and keep it moving. It doesn't require a lot of styling, and it feels really good. It's comfortable. I like it. And if you guys want the description, or want the link, rather, it'll be down in the description. But make sure you check out another one of my videos. I will be posting some more this week, so make sure you catch it by subscribing as well. And I will see you in the next video. Stay royal.